how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free. So if you want to download Premiere Pro for free, then what you need to do is you need to go with the Adobe's official page. So go with your browser and then search for Adobe. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.adobe.com, and then you scroll down and then find the Premiere Pro. Once you find the Premiere Pro, you need to just simply go with the free trial. So as you can see that you will have a free trial option right here. You need to click on the free trial. Once you click on the free trial, you'll have this kind of interface. You can choose for individuals or businesses or students and teachers. Select your country, then click on Start a free trial. Next, you'll need to choose a plan. You'll see the options, like I've already told you, which is individuals, business, students, and teachers. For most users, the individual plan is the best. It includes a 14-day free trial of Premiere Pro and a 30-day trial of Adobe Stock. So click on Continue, which will be on the bottom, and then make sure that you've selected Add a 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock, and then go with Continue, which will be in the bottom. Follow the steps to fill in your information, including your card details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until your free trial ends. Agree to the terms and click on Subscribe. And on the next screen, you need to create a password for your Adobe account. If you already have an Adobe account, you can just simply go and log into your account, install it, and log in with the same email and go to the Apps section, and you will find the Premiere Pro. Click on Install and start editing with Premiere Pro. That's it. Thanks for watching.